except it is just another simple onboarding tool. So actually, I like some of the comments I get from and feedback I get on that I've gotten in the last week or so launching the different websites. And again, if you're not familiar, basically I made there's 5 websites that are essentially websites within a website, a gateway. Richard said gateway the other day, so I'm like, I guess maybe they're gateways. We'll call them gateways to front ends instead of front ends themselves. So it just easily allows you to give someone a link and then use that link to transact with the dApp. Nothing in the middle, nothing going on. Is literally just website to website. I did tons of videos of how it works and how simple it is, and how to verify it, all the security stuff too. But this website, yeah, I was about to say it went on for a second. This website allows you to just have a landing page. This is the landing page. This is the landing page for PulseChain apps, for the decentralized apps, the websites that have been stood up. You have the Hex one that goes to gohexapp.com. You have the PulseChain Bridge one that goes to goplsbridge.com. It's just a nice, simple little page that will just, you could send people, instead of sending them to each one, because there's, we got a lot now. We got 5 different ones. There's probably going to have 6 if he does Otter, Block Explorer. Maybe there's 7 if there's some other one I can't remember or think of right now. So you just go here, you click on the link, you go do your business. Again, I did tons of videos of how it's safe, secure, legit. I posted hashes. Speaking of hashes, there's website hashes I've been posting on Twitter, so you can verify that, if that, again, if you have a trusted source, a place to, yeah, that's been fun lately, by the way. Yeah. Everyone go to gopulsexapp.com. And if you see this red page, which you probably will if you're using Chrome, click on the report a detection problem, and then fill that out and submit the report and be like, not scam, not malicious. Apparently somebody reported that, and now it takes 10x the effort, to refute, because there's absolutely nothing malicious about it, obviously.
Gotta love that.
Yeah, that's fun. That was fun. Yeah, yesterday I was literally debuting it, and that happened. It was fine earlier in the day, and then it happened right there. I'm like, oh, you gotta be kidding me. But yeah, anyways, once you do that, it'll say, okay, it's not deceptive. Click it again, it'll let you go use it. But again, there's nothing. Click on one of them again, or go to one of the ones you clicked on, and then right click the page anywhere on the page and click view source, like anywhere on the page, and view page source, view source, whatever.
Okay, let's not do that one yet. Okay, let's do this one here.
Yeah, either one.
Just for simplicity.
Yeah. And you can see 21 lines of code. And the only piece of code that matters is line 20, which says iframe. Iframe is just it says, put this website on this website. All I'm saying is put that decentralized link that has this crazy URL that nobody wants to click on, put that on this website. And this website is literally just that code. All it says is show this person the other website. That's what it says. Show the person.
So it's a redirect, more or less.
It's a redirect with but you stay on the same place. You stay on the same place, and the URL doesn't change, but you get to use the dApp. That's the only thing it is. Everything else, all the other code there is just making it fit pretty and look seamless and all that. The only line that matters is that link. And when I post the hashes of the websites, you can verify yourself. If you're going to the wrong place or it gets changed or hacked or whatever, the hash of the data will change. So I create hashes, and I tell people on the tweet too exactly how to do it. Go create a hash of this code. If anything changes and I haven't updated it or otherwise, you'll know something's wrong. So not only can you check the IPFS hash, you can check the actual code hash to make sure the website hasn't changed too, as a feature of trying to make sure these sites are legit. A lot of people have been creating them. I can't speak for the security or otherwise of anyone else's, but I've been trying to go above and beyond to show people, how to verify this stuff for yourself. Don't trust me. Don't trust my reputation. Don't trust me and my 300 streams or millions of viewers or all this stuff. Like, don't trust any of that stuff. It sounded like a humble brag. It really wasn't. I was just like, don't trust reputation. You don't need to trust me. Trust the ways I've given you to verify this stuff. And I got tweets that talk about like 5, 6, 7 different ways to do it. So I want people to know it's safe. I use it. I'm going to make it as safe as possible, and it's just the landing page is just a gateway to these front end gateways to let you use the site. And it solves 2 problems. One, you don't get the confusion of which IPFS link do I click on when they go to the landing page now. And 2, you don't get the crazy URL like that may scare a lot of people away. So that's the 2 problems I aim to solve with the landing page for all the links and all the links that you see here.
Well, for one, I think that's one of the many reasons the community appreciates you and what you do so much is because you're so willing to like put this out and educate on this topic, and it's so needed. So like, thank you for that. And two, I mean, it's just simple. Like if we go to the launchpad here, gorealdefi.com and just click where you want to go. And I'm sure the PulseX side will not say this soon. It's just obviously because of our frenemy, I guess.
Who knows? Who knows?
Yeah.
Other ones are fine, knock on wood.
Yeah, exactly. But basically everything is just right here. And all the other tools still work. Like Icosa, the app.icosa.pro still works. There's hexcrypto.com. There's all sorts of other applications that still work for, let's say, like even Hex, right? So if you're using those, like this is to go to the core, to the original RH developed style applications. And I think it's just super simple. I think awesome job. Thank you for building it. I'm going to be using this on most of my streams and just the easy or for onboarding or guiding people into the ecosystem. I mean, this is just the easiest way to do it. So thank you for building this, man.